Have you ever wondered how to set up the ultimate email marketing campaign? Do you often wonder which acts are considered sins in an email marketing campaign? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of taking the right steps towards a successful email marketing campaign? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about efficient strategy for having email marketing campaign. Now let's get into it. Email direct marketing is still considered to be one of the most effective ways of reaching the target group. If you have not used email direct marketing, it is high time that you consider using email marketing to improve your brand popularity and increase your sales. What is email marketing? If you do not know what is email marketing, you should be totally new to the internet because it is hard to find someone that does not know what is email marketing. Direct email marketing or email marketing is the process of sending marketing messages to customers or prospective customers with the intention of getting their attention about your products, services, and brand. Email marketing can be used in a wide variety of situations. You can be sending mail communication to your existing customers or prospective about the new offers that you are launching a new service or new product line. Or you can also be sending marketing emails to encourage the readers to sign up for an account in your website and so on. If you want your email campaign to be successful and effective, you need to plan your email marketing campaigns carefully. Sending random emails to random users will not produce the desired results. Before you launch your email direct marketing campaign, you need to make sure that you have your email marketing list. The success of your email marketing campaign will depend on the quality of the email marketing list. You can buy your marketing list or compile your own list. Secondly, you need to time your email marketing campaigns. For example, it has been found highly effective to send marketing emails on travel promotions in the middle of the week. This calls the users for immediate action, and they are very likely to pay attention to your offers and deals and click on the links in the email. You need to find the optimum time of the week or month to send your emails based on the niche. This, of course, would involve a certain amount of research. Do not make random decisions on this because the results obtained can then be disappointing. Thirdly, you need to find a dependable email marketing service provider to send your emails. It is best not to send out the emails from your own server, as this can damage your online reputation and your server can be blocked for spamming. There are numerous email marketing service providers ready for sending mail on your behalf to the email marketing list you supply. Come up with impressive email content. Long emails often get ignored. Your marketing emails should be presented in short paragraphs or bulleted format. Your email subject line is even more important. Only when you have an impressive subject line, users will be prompted to open your emails. Find out words that normally trigger the spam filters and avoid using such words in your emails to ensure that your marketing emails are not trapped in the spam folders. The 5 cardinal sins of email marketing. One of the most frequent questions my customers ask me is, what should I do to make sure my email marketing campaign is a success? My answer is always different depending on the client's industry, campaign goal, and many other factors. But in today's e-marketing landscape, there are a few pointers that stand true for any client, a few things that can really make or break an email campaign. You could overlook these, and you'll still have an email campaign. But if you're stuck wondering why your email messages are yielding little to no response, you may want to take a closer look and consider if you're committing any of these 5 email marketing sins. 1. When new subscribers sign up, I should treat them just like my old subscribers. One of the most overlooked aspects of email marketing is the welcome message, or the message your subscribers receive as soon as they sign up for your email list. The welcome message is your first opportunity to connect one-on-one with your subscribers. Think of it as your first impression, since this is the very first of, hopefully, many email messages you'll be sending them. Of course, you want to make a good first impression, be courteous, friendly, and very mindful of your audience. Make sure to remind them of the benefits of signing up, include links to your website, and tell your readers how to get a hold of you if they need. It's also important to ensure the welcome message arrives shortly, if not immediately, after the recipient signs up. So, your best bet here is to choose an email service provider that sends automatic welcome messages to your subscribers on your behalf. Some of the top email programs will allow you to fully customize your welcome message, so it reads, looks, and feels just like your company. 2. All my subscribers are the same, so I should just send the same messages to all of them. Well, actually, no and no. It's not rocket science. Subscribers are individuals, just like you and I. They have different preferences, different habits, and different personalities. Addressing your subscribers by their names is a good start, and an easy thing to do, since most reputable email service providers automatically insert your subscribers' names into the greeting field. But, in most cases, this personal greeting is just not enough. Say you own a clothing store, and you sell men's, women's, and children's clothing. John Smith is a customer, and he loves your menswear collections. But he's busy, and he has no women or kids to shop for. So why would he waste his precious time browsing through your specials on blouses and bibs? It's been proven, in a recent study by DoubleClick, email users were 72% more likely to respond to a business email if its content was based on the interest they had specified. Choose an email service provider that allows you to set up interest groups, and then allows your subscribers to choose which groups they want to belong to. Back to the clothing store, you would produce 3 separate emails, men's, women's, and children's, and only send them out to the subscribers who want to read them, creating highly targeted, personalized, and effective email campaigns. 3. When a reader clicks on a link from my email, it doesn't matter if they end up on a page that looks nothing like the actual email. Actually, it does matter. First off, you want to provide a consistent image of your brand. That's just branding 101. You wouldn't create business cards that look one way, letterhead that looks another way, and a store sign that looks completely different. So why would your email marketing campaign look nothing like your website? Chances are you already have a website, so all you really need to do is customize your email campaign to have the same look and feel. Many email service providers will be able to create you a custom template that matches the exact look and feel of your website. However, beware of the price. While some email service providers charge at least a few hundred for this, others offer free custom templates as part of their services. 4. My email recipients may enjoy my messages, but they don't really want to share them with their friends. Here's the good news. According to a January 2006 report by Sharp Partners, 89% of U.S. adult internet users share email content with their friends, family, and associates. And 75% of them forward emails to up to 6 other recipients. It's called viral marketing, and it basically translates to word of mouth through email, as long as you provide good content, an essential aspect of any email marketing campaign. Some email service providers have taken this insight into consideration, so they have integrated the all-important forward to a friend feature in every email you send. A few email providers will even go a step further and allow you to track which subscribers are forwarding your messages, so you can get a true glimpse at your brand ambassadors, and maybe offer them some extra perks. 5. After I send out my email campaign, there's nothing left for me to do. If you look at it that way, you're really missing half the process and jeopardizing the success of your future campaigns. Here's why. Any reputable email marketing program will include campaign tracking and reporting. These allow you to view how many of your messages were opened, which bounced back, which links were clicked on, and, with some email providers, exactly which recipients clicked on each link. This data not only converts email marketing into an incredible lead generation tool, but it also allows you to learn more about your subscribers. So, if you operate a travel agency, and you see nobody clicked on the Mexico vacation link, but 200 readers clicked on the New York vacation link, you'll know next time to place a greater focus on New York vacations. You could even send a follow-up campaign to those 200 readers with a special offer for a New York vacation upgrade. That's a lead generation and a highly targeted upsell in one shot. Are you taking advantage of these? And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about efficient strategy for having email marketing campaign. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.